Mr. Champagnie,
Yes.
your view on the court decision today on what has happened?
Well, as I said in court today, the decision of the court must be respected. But also, any accused has the right in these circumstances to appeal the decision of a court that has so found. And therefore, we will be invoking that right, and notification was given and the reasons were supplied. But we are nevertheless respectful of the court's position, but we will be seeking to have it tested elsewhere in the Supreme Court in terms of bail.
Can you help us understand the basis on which the bail was denied?
These are matters that I would not want to go into, to ventilate and to try, as I said before, the case in public. Suffice it to say that we are of the view that based on the decision and the reasoning behind that, there is a basis for an appeal, and we have notified the court of that intention.
The last time around, there was mention of 13 files clips, and that one of them was missing in terms of not being able to be reviewed or played. Has there been any update provided in terms of that?
There has been absolutely no update, and it's very coincidental. It's an affront actually to common sense. We're in such circumstances of the 13 clips. The one that is supposed to show exactly what happened is missing. But to re-emphasize my response to you, there has not been any update whatsoever in relation to that.